My name is Robert Dondero, and I'm a retired justice from the California Court of Appeal, handling arbitrations, mediations, and neutral evaluations. I think to be a good arbitrator, you have to put in the work. It's most important to get into the file as soon as you have it, start reading what the case is all about. And so therefore what I do is I then prepare a scheduling order which covers all the important dates of the case. I prefer to have transcripts of the hearing so I can read up on what the witnesses have said afterwards, because I'm obligated as an arbitrator to write a statement of decision. But I want to make sure that everybody understands, including the clients as well as the lawyers, why I ruled the way I did. And that is necessary not only to satisfy the clients and their interests, but also it's important because what I write may very well go to a trial court for further review, and I want to make sure that the trial court knows how I ruled the way I did. My view on mediations, because I'm an old trial judge and appellate judge, I want to know what the parties are saying in this mediation before they walk into the room to do the mediation itself. So I require their mediation briefs in advance of the hearing for the mediation. And I also want to have a phone conversation with each side, separate of course, so that I know what the lawyers have to say about their case. And it's basically an opportunity for me to know what their clients are like, what the problems are in the case, what the positives on the case are, and what the potential damages are. What kind of a meeting point can we reach in a mediation in this case? Because let's face it, the purpose of mediation is to resolve the case at that session. Neutral evaluations are matters in which a party picks a neutral to sort of review the case and sort of evaluate what the problems are. And I like that stuff because it allows me to be creative and put my thinking cap on that I used to do when I was on the Court of Appeals all the time, because there's a potential for reversal on any case that's appealed. As a trial lawyer, I was always well prepared in the cases I handled. As a judge, I made sure that I knew what the case was all about and read all the papers that were submitted, handled the case fairly and honestly. And now at JAMS, I have to do the same thing, and it gives me the opportunity to handle a variety of very complicated and interesting cases. And I do it with great lawyers on the other side. I'm a person that likes to be challenged intellectually by the legal issues, and that's something which keeps me going. And so ADR allows me to carry out this process that I enjoy so much.